What is email domain reputation, and why does it matter so much when determining inbox placement? Continue watching to find out. Hello, and welcome to Mailtrap videos, where we explore the world of emails. Email domain reputation is a measure used by internet service providers to determine the trustworthiness of your emails. In simple terms, this means that emails coming from reputable domains head straight to a recipient's inbox, while those sent from domains that have broken any sending rules go to the spam folder. So think of domain reputation as a crucial element in achieving great email deliverability. But what factors affect it? From spam complaint rates, spam traps, engagement rates, and unsubscribes, all the way to bounce rates, blacklist presence, and sending history, every single one of these factors is taken into account when labeling you as an inbox-worthy sender or a potential spammer. So how can you know what state your email domain reputation is in? At your disposal is the manual method or some online tools. If you choose to do things manually, you can sign up for a feedback loop offered by a mailbox provider or an ESP. Or you can simply stick to monitoring your delivery rates. When using online tools, you'll need to sign up for a domain reputation checker, which has its own unique algorithm for determining email domain reputation. Can a tarnished email domain reputation ever be improved? While it might be a challenge, improving email domain reputation can be done by 1. Following good email practices, such as using authentication protocols and subdomains, warming up your domain, cleaning your mailing list regularly, and sending relevant content. And 2. Building a robust email infrastructure. To build a robust email infrastructure of your own, you should resort to reliable email sending providers such as Mailtrap. With Mailtrap, you can cover all email-related needs, including testing, sending, and in-depth controlling of your email infrastructure performance. On top of that, it allows you to monitor your email domain reputation and implement quick fixes if needed. And that's a wrap on our video covering the concept of email domain reputation, brought to you by Mailtrap, an email delivery platform to test, send, and control your email infrastructure in one place. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More email-related content is on the way. See you there!